The fear of UGM is a beginning of wisdom. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigerian army don abandon another checkpoint because of the fear of UGM, which is unknown government. My people, things dey happen. The national elders don come outside though. Contour say that the north are richer than all states for inside Nigeria because as e be like this, even though they say regional government, the north are not going to suffer. That is the fact the north have to accept. I will play you the video. My people, as we dey talk right now, they say katakata dey. The information wey dey reach us right now as we dey talk, they say that some cow na be malu wey dey carry dey come for inside southeast. Some of them go waka small, they go kpai for road. Na be say e get something wey they put for their body, so they quickly sell am. Anybody wey chop am, that person go kpai put o. Abeg, if you be person wey love to eat cow meat, my people, go today o, chicken dey o. I no know wetin e dey for inside o. May you be very very careful if you dey inside southeast. I'm going to play the videos, may you watch and see wetin dey happen as e dey read. The first, I'm going to play you the video of this checking point where the Nigerian army don leave Kawa because of the fear of unknown government. I'll play the video, then we'll come back and continue.
Ebe a ndị zu army nọ ma n'ụzọ na-aga obolo afọ ịrapụ Ihaka junction, so esigo ebe a wee wapụ anọrọzi ebe a agbapụgo, esigo ebe a wee wara ọsọ. Ị na-anyị ga-afụ na onwerezi ihe dị ebe a. Ịrapụ Ihaka junction, ị na-aga trailer park obolo afọ, ị ga-afụ ka ebe niile ezisi wee dị kịta anọrọzi otu a ka o si dị. Ebe nke a ebe ọzọ, another checkpoint nke nọ na Ọba Boys, ebe ndị na command checkpoint Ọba awago ndị agha watogo.
Okay, my wonderful people, as this one dey happen o, na be the checking point where they don't leave Jackpo. I go show you another thing where they happen as we dey talk now. They say some car where they carry come for inside southeast now. Be careful of what you dey eat. I'll play the video, may you watch.
Learning how I send the layer and that was a Sunday. I am a slaughter now monitor. And now obo look at their sandboard. You got one the sandboard. We are talking about that was a nama or mojo macandiligan nama. How we can asepa and an address. Very soon you go on another place in Gapa. And now obo heaven nama lay or mojo and dabaria. Doctor Esha Lochin, why did I love you? Lemania down water, Ojet Obo, Ogan one, I got the Abuya. Send the around them out of an area now watching. How information on your one I pass a review. Send the other go to get it. You look at no fun, and I got one a day. By your waking, Jada Jadu. I got like your phone number and down me less send it. I said, when you're blood, be very careful. When you send out a picture from Power, I don't know what to see. I'm now, Obo, we can answer it. You can answer it, Obo. You saw wash it, the major proof for the with evidence. Look at the hair will help in the Obo. Help, then give us some of them. There you care, look at my machine. Now, machine Mundi Netres and Aga. You are not area, not be very careful. No more blinding will make a shot send on guy for your life. There one this isn't it Nigeria, Imo States. Come on, I am Mana Jesus. I got 1 week. I know not slaughter name and Yamile. Actually, they're not a slaughter also. Actually, Lababu said, Ilanya be down anybody. They have Wopo who come on Lanya Buru. They told the Namaja Pavicale, Namamo Hova. Take my care, the same thing. Look at it. Abandőn. ama m ego ole ndị a na-enye ndị a na ha gwara m je were m ego na ọwụ ya nga emefọ ha gbapụsịsị nsị ha dị ike m obere ha ndị ewelekwa ele dị na ma gọwata m ọnwụ ya ndị ewone ọnụnụ karịa ibi onye ntị gburu ọbụ mmadụ mere ya ndị ewone tamọnwụ ha ọgụwa ha.
My people, shebi you don watch am with your korokoro eyes, may you see wetin dey happen for inside southeast as we dey talk. I will play this video, may you watch and hear wetin this Hausa man or Fulani man talk, say the north are richer than most of the states wey dey for inside southeast. I want you to watch this video and hear wetin he talk. Do you know that the northern Nigeria has gold and other mineral resources in their land, which is they are not even mining them the way they are mining oil in Delta and other part of Nigeria? Watch this video.
In the north, if I am the president or if I'm the governor in any state, we are richer than the south.
In what sense?
Many ways. Three things. The north, agriculture, if we concentrate on three things: agriculture, solid minerals, and solar, will be done. All the water, all the hydroelectric power stations are in the north. Mambila. The northeast is complaining there's no power. When
Mambila nothing is happening.
Yeah.
There are a lot of lamentation.
Yeah, who was there? Who was there before? If we had developed Mambila, we wouldn't be in this mess. The north is richer than the south. We need
terms of
agriculture,
untapped deposits.
Absolutely. We have the land for agriculture. We can feed not only Nigeria, but the whole of West Africa. Secure our people, let them go back to the farm. Number two, and do not abandon agriculture and go and run after this oil that is fluctuating all over the place. Solid minerals, we have it all. Why is the fight in Zamfara and all over this northwestern state? Because of gold.
Largely.
Yeah, a lot of it. And then previously in the last government, the National Security Advisor will come and say, oh, mining has been banned, no fly zone, no follow-up. Thirdly, and people should ask, where has been the gold of Zamfara? Where is the gold? We have the sun. We can power not only the region, but we can power the whole of the country. Whatever, all the governors largely, I mean, look, we look at the president more than we look at the governors. To be honest with you, largely 80% of our problems are the governors. Corruption and bad governance, I've said it again and again and again and again. We've had leaders in this country that we have benefited from. And all of these governors, all of these ministers have benefited from the good governance of our leaders past. All of them.
In the First and Second Republic.
Absolutely. They were good custodians of that which they were entrusted with.
What went wrong? Where did we start to get it wrong?
They were good custodians. They trained us. They did not accumulate. But now everybody else, the governor wants to not only accumulate, but leaves the state treasury empty. Not only that, indebted. So the primary thing is corruption and bad governance. Corruption and bad governance. It's everywhere. It's only more pronounced here because of the insecurity. It's going to bite us. And I've been saying it again and again, again and again. How many governors, how many ministers, how many service chiefs can retire and go back home and stay? Like those leaders of our time used to do. They used to go back home and stay with their people. Shagari went back home and stayed with his people. How many of these governors, these service chiefs, these ministers will go back home, ancestral home? All IDPs in Abuja because of bad governance.
My people, kindly drop your own opinion and your own suggestion and share this video so that other people will see the follow on or waiting they happen for inside this country. Because as it be like this, everybody don't read for everybody. If you say this country never shake you, that means you get Odeshi, and I would like to know where you do. I might go do my own. No, I beg, share this video as many as you can so that other people will see they get the information. Yes, the North has so many mineral resources in their land, which is even they are mining it illegally, which is not even contributing anything to Nigeria economy. You see wetin dey happen, but the ones they find in the southeast and the west, they bring it to national cake, then they now share it. It is a national cake. While the one in the north are being collected by 2 or 3 alhaji, and inside the same north now you find the most alamajuris in the street. Things are really happening. Share this video and drop your own opinion in comment section.